Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Current Gyan. Today we are going to study two topic, very important topic in map practice. First one is the SAR countries, list of SAR countries and their capitals, and we will also see where are the SAR countries in the map. And after that we will talk about some of the countries which are the countries in ASEAN. So let us begin our lecture. So let us discuss first the list of countries which are in the SARC. So as you can see here, there are eight countries which is under the umbrella of SARC. SARC means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. As you know that headquarters is in Kathmandu. It is the capital of our country, Nepal. So first one is Afghanistan. So its capital is Kabul. Similarly, Bangladesh, whose capital is Dhaka, and Bhutan, which is capital is Thimphu. India, whose capital is New Delhi. Maldives, whose capital is Male. Nepal, as you know that, it's Kathmandu, and Pakistan is it's Islamabad, and Sri Lanka it is Colombo. So as you can see that here it is in SAARC countries we don't see China here. So guys remember that we don't have a China in this SAARC association. SAARC. So these are the mainly eight countries of SAARC associations. Next one is ASEAN, Association for Southeast Asian Nations. There are 10 countries in this. Here also we will not see China. Okay. So first one is Brunei. So Brunei, which capital is Bandar Seri Begawan, and second is Cambodia, who is Phnom Penh, and third one is Indonesia, whose capital is Jakarta, and Laos, whose capital is Vientiane, and Myanmar, whose capital is Naypyidaw, and Philippines, whose capital is Manila. Singapore, its capital is also Singapore. Thailand, its capital is Bangkok. Okay, and Vietnam, its capital is Hanoi. These are the 10 countries, and these are the capital of 10 countries. Now we'll see the now you see in the map where it is situated. So as you can see that this is our beautiful country Nepal, and these all are the which is in red color. These are all are the SAARC countries. So as you can see that in the uh, west side we have Afghanistan, then Pakistan, whose capital is here Kabul, and its capital is Islamabad here. India, whose capital is New Delhi. Kathmandu for the capital of Nepal. Bhutan, whose capital is Thimphu. Bangladesh, whose capital is Dhaka. So these all are the eight nations which is associated in SAARC. So now we'll move to the ASEAN countries. So these are the ASEAN countries. So as you can see that this is Bangladesh, and this is Myanmar, whose old name is Burma. And this is Laos, and this is Thailand in yellow color. This is Cambodia, and this small here you can see that this is Singapore, and this total violet color it is Indonesia, and here it is very small city here in the it is attached with the Malaysia, so it is Brunei, and this is Malaysia in pink color up to this much, and this total it is in Philippines, and the uh, orange color which is at the seaside facing seaside is Vietnam. So these all are the 10 countries which is a member of ASEAN. So as you can see, these are the all it is in East Asia. So similarly, you can see in the bigger map here, it will be very more clear to you all. So these all are the ASEAN countries. As you can see that you can see here This is Java Sea. Here I am pointing the mouse. This is Jakarta, which is the Indonesia, capital of Indonesia. And there you can see that this is Philippines, this is South China Sea, this is China, this is Vietnam. These all are the countries which is associated with the ASEAN associations. So I expect we have covered these part of Asia. So in next we'll cover more country more association like OPEC and all. So see you in the next class. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Jai Nepal.